me cut a new one. A new level hole.
Camera's flashing.
Yeah, turn around. Huh?
Do you think it would be wiser to kind of like cut a new ridge on this side and then bring it down?
No, because that's...
Because if you cut the wedge out, it's kind of giving it this huge open gap.
Right, but the second I put the blade in flat, it's going to pinch on the backside. I mean, I'll wedge it here. Because I went in like a wedge, and I'll just go straight.
Right, and it'll just fall straight.
Right. Oh, but this is leaning on that now, right? That'll pinch my blade. I'm going to go above it.
Should I be ready at the winch?
Yo! Hold on. Pull! Hold on. Hold on. What'd you say? Stand by. Hold on. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. That was perfect, man.
Shit out of you.
Scared the shit out of me too. Like I said, man, I just pray. Alright, let's get this zipped up. Yeah. Nah, let's just fucking zip it and get the brush out of there. Cool.
Let's start from here and work our way up.
I'm going straight to the top because it's close to the house. I'm getting the brush out of there. So it looks like it's nowhere near it. Whew. Nothing touched it, just a couple leaves. It was just the tippy top. But this tree was a pain, man.
Yeah, you can have the leaf blow, right?
The leaf blow. Oh, to get all this stuff off? Yeah. I'll get. Yeah, we'll get all this off their property.
That's my biggest problem.
Right. Yeah. So we made over there in the back. We made a little pile of the branches and stuff. We'll do another one, over here on the side. All right, and we'll get all. We'll make sure. Yeah. All right. Thanks, man.